Explain like I'm five. Why is the ocean salty and how did it get that way? Here's the answer. The ocean's saltiness is a result of ongoing natural processes over billions of years. It primarily comes from the weathering of rocks on land. Rainwater dissolves salts in these rocks, and rivers carry these salts to the ocean. The process continues as seawater evaporates, leaving the salts behind, only to be replenished with fresh water and more salts from land. Submarine volcanoes and outgassing from the Earth's interior contribute to the ocean's salt content. Submarine volcanoes and hydrothermal vents release minerals and salts directly into the sea. In addition, volcanic activity allows trapped gases, salts, and minerals from within the Earth's mantle to escape and mix with ocean water. These processes, while less dominant than weathering and river transport, are key contributors to the ocean's salinity over billions of years.